Hi, good morning everyone. Let's talk about IELTS writing, very common mistakes today, which students usually make in their routine, in their exam as well. So the first common mistake is using repetitive words. They are in habit of using very common words repeatedly. For example, good, bad. Instead of using good, what other words we can use? We can paraphrase this word good with appropriate, instrumental, fruitful, beneficial. And instead of using bad, we can use detrimental, inappropriate, negative, adverse. Second very common mistakes in IELTS writing is usage of informal words. For example, contractions such as don't, doesn't. Rather than using don't and doesn't, we can use do not, does not. And there are majority of the students who are in habit of using very common phrases. For example, a lot of. Rather than usage of lot of, you can use numerous, several, multifarious, ample. Third very common mistake in IELTS writing is skipping proofreading. That means you have written your whole task and you have given to the examiner to check. With the help of proofreading, you will check your spelling errors, grammatical errors, and you will be on safe side. Examiner will not be having any weapon to cut your marks for the spelling and grammar errors if you have proofread your task very well. Last, the very common mistake, ignoring instructions. Now, you are writing your task. The instruction says you have to talk about the advantages and disadvantages. Thereafter, you have to tell the examiner whether advantages outweigh disadvantages. You have finished your writing, you have written about advantages, you have written about disadvantages. But in the end or nowhere in the paragraph, you have not written anything related to whether advantages outweigh, that means whether advantages are more than disadvantages or not. So these are the 4 very common mistakes which students do usually. Do let me know in the comment section what kind of mistakes you make and how you are working on them. Thank you.